Welcome to today's video. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to add a sum total using a variable to total up values, such as the total quantity or total tax amount in your RTM report. Let's get started. First, click on the calculator icon and place it in the group footer. Then, right-click and select Calculations. Next, go to Language and select Utility. To create a sum total calculation, drag the getAggregateValue function into the calculation area. As you can see, the function definition requires specific parameters, which need to be entered accordingly. For AG type, input AGSUM, as we are summing up the values. For the detail pipeline, this refers to the database pipeline. For example, if you want to sum the total quantity, and the quantity field is under the report database table document detail, click on Data tab and refer to this. Thus, enter document_detail over here, followed by a comma. Next, for the A key field is referring to the primary key or a unique identifier field in a report database, input straight code doc, close it with another straight code, followed by another comma. Finally, for the aggregate field, specify the field you want to sum. In this case, input straight code quantity and also close with straight code, as we want to sum up per quantity. If you want to sum up tax amount, you also able to key tax amount over here. Once everything is set, right-click and select Compile to check for errors and ensure accuracy. After all is done, press OK to save. As you can see in the report, the total quantity of 36 is displayed here. Thank you for watching.